Electric bikes are getting more affordable and better than ever. For under $1,500, you can find a powerful, reliable e-bike that fits your lifestyle for daily commutes, weekend adventures, or just cruising around town. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 electric bikes that pack amazing features, solid performance, and unbeatable value, all without breaking the bank. Let's find the perfect e-bike for you. The Oneup Turus is a versatile electric bike designed for comfortable rides and exciting adventures. With a powerful 750W motor, it can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour with pedal assist and 20 mph with throttle alone, making it fast and easy to ride. The Turris has a lightweight aluminum frame that keeps electronics safe and secure, and its comfortable design ensures a smooth, enjoyable ride. The bike's hydraulic brakes offer strong stopping power, while the 100mm front suspension absorbs bumps on rough trails. Its battery is certified for safety and provides 30 to 50 miles per charge, depending on factors like terrain and speed. The Turris also features an LCD display, a thumb throttle, and a 7-speed Shimano shifter for easy control over different terrains. With city-style handlebars, ergonomic grips, and a soft gel saddle, the Turris delivers a smooth, responsive, and comfortable ride on any adventure. The Freedom X is Wing Bike's top model, building on the popular Freedom 2 but with more advanced features. It has a hidden display in the handlebar stem and a torque sensor, which adjusts the motor's power based on how hard you pedal, creating a smoother, more natural riding experience. Both the Freedom X and Freedom 2 have a sleek, urban style and come in silver or black, but the Freedom X adds an improved ride feel. For safety, Wing bikes include a built-in alarm with tamper detection and a remote lock, so you can leave it parked confidently. The Freedom X's battery options allow up to 60 miles of travel, and it charges fully in 4 hours. And the bike's display shows details like speed, distance, and battery level. The Freedom X is ready to ride right out of the box, letting you choose your boost level and enjoy the ride within minutes. The Propella 9S Pro V2 is a lightweight, powerful e-bike that's smooth to ride and ideal for city commuting or fun outdoor rides. Its torque sensor technology gives precise control and a comfortable ride. With a 9-speed drivetrain and a 50-mile range on pedal assist, it's a great option for longer trips. The Propella's battery is compact, removable, and fully charged in just 3 hours. It uses a 350W motor, 500W peak, that allows speeds up to 20 mph and has zero resistance, meaning it feels smooth and effortless to pedal. Safety features include hydraulic brakes, bright front lights, and sturdy 27.5-inch tires. The bike's aluminum frame is lightweight, and the design is certified to high safety standards. Available in 2 styles: step-through for easier mounting and step-over for a classic sporty look. This 43.5-pound e-bike combines style, safety, and ease, making it an excellent all-around choice. The Ripracer is a fun-size, fat-tire electric bike designed for excitement and versatility. Equipped with a powerful 750W motor, it can handle hills and reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, making it ideal for both city streets and rough trails. The upgraded G252-volt battery delivers up to 55 miles per charge, and it includes handy features like water resistance, an Apple AirTag compartment, and an easy-to-read LCD display with different riding modes. Built to fit riders from 5 to 6'3", it has adjustable seats, hydraulic disc brakes for safe stopping, and knobby tires that provide a smooth ride on any surface. The Ripracer also comes with advanced features like an integrated brake light, on-demand throttle, and 5 levels of pedal assist. With options for add-ons like carriers, racks, and mirrors, it's a customizable and safety-focused ride that's as fun as it is functional. The Heybike Brawn is a powerful electric bike built for adventure and excitement. It's equipped with a 1400W peak motor that reaches speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, letting you explore far and wide with a range of 65 miles per charge. The bike has large 26-inch fat tires that provide excellent grip on rough trails, making it stable and safe on bumpy or slippery paths. Its hydraulic disc brakes deliver strong stopping power, while a dual crown fork helps control the bike and makes the ride smoother. With a high-capacity battery that meets strict safety standards, you can ride with confidence, and it only takes 4-5 hours to fully charge with the fast 4A charger. The bike also includes an automatic headlight that lights up in the dark, a shock-absorbing seat for comfort, and a Shimano 7-speed gear system for smooth shifting. Designed to carry up to 400 pounds, the Brawn can handle extra gear, making it great for long trips. So that was all about the top 5 electric bikes under $1,500. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this video with a friend, and let us know in the comments which bike you're thinking about buying.